Renhotec M8 and M12 series junction boxes. The product features a compact structure and a sleek, sophisticated appearance. The product includes field wiring, precast cables, PCB interfaces with junction boxes, cable accessories, and cables with PCB junction box terminal. The junction box is available in multiple port configurations: 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 16 ports. The M8 is available in both wide and compact housing options. The cover and socket are equipped with labels, making the component layout clearer. Renhotec M8 and M12 series junction boxes are compatible with various compact tap modules. The thread-locking connector hood supports snap-on knob for fastening. The threaded locking technology enables easy main cable installation and features LED indicators for power and signal status. A complete plug-and-play solution is formed through the junction box. It optimizes industrial wiring layouts, enabling the capacity for additional connection points. The plastic housing meets the IP67 protection rating. The product is resistant to welding spatter, oil, and corrosion. Renhotec M8 and M12 series junction boxes can be applied in fields such as industrial automation, robotics, intelligent logistics, and medical equipment. In other fields,